Hey everyone, Tristan back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a Polo Ralph Lauren haul. Recently went to the Polo Ralph Lauren factory outlet up in Napa, California, which is not too far from where I live, and this is all the stuff that I picked up. A couple of notes. The first thing is I do occasionally do men's fashion videos in my channel, so if you're new here and you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. Also on the same trip, I went to the J. Crew factory outlet, and that is a separate haul. If you're interested in seeing that video, please leave a comment and let me know. But in this video, I'm going to be doing the Polo Ralph Lauren haul. The other thing is the prices in the Polo Ralph Lauren factory outlet store tend to be about 40 to 50% off the retail price. So if you see any price tags on any of these items, note that the in-store price at the factory outlet was about 40 or 50% off the price tag that you see, the price on the price tag. In addition, they have additional deals that it really pays to take advantage of. When you go in the store, you'll oftentimes see a sign that says, text this phone number for an additional 20 to 25% off. So it definitely pays to do that. You text a certain number, and then you get an email, and then you fill out a little form to get on their email address, to get on their email subscription, and you can get an additional 20 to 25% off the already 40 to 50% off in the store. And you get on their email list, and they periodically will email you with deals as well. So it definitely pays to do that. I did do that for these clothes. So on most of these items, not only did I get 40 to 50% off, but I also got an additional 25% off. So that's just something to note. They don't always have that additional percentage off in the factory outlet stores, but oftentimes they do. So it kind of pays to ask or check around for that. So let's go ahead and get started on the haul. The first thing I got was this denim shirt. It is really cool. Has the mother of pearl, snap buttons here. And so the shirt does have a little bit of distressing on it as well. And the normal price on it was $129.99. I think Polo Ralph Lauren stuff tends to have a really nice cut to it, and tends to fit me really well as well. And I think for Polo stuff, you are paying partly for the name, but also their stuff does tend to be a bit higher quality and tends to fit me better as well than other makers like H&M, Uniqlo, Zara, stuff like that. So that's the denim shirt, men's size medium. I really like it, and I like the distressing on it as well. Next in line we have a hoodie, and here it is. It's, as you can see, a gray camo, men's size medium. This was, I think, after all the discounts, about 45 or something like that. It's just a nice kind of cool hoodie. I mean, I just really like the gray camo. And as we unzip this here, you can see one of the things I liked inside was that it doesn't have the fleece inside. It's actually smooth, so it's very comfortable. It may not be as warm as something with like the kind of fleece, texture inside, but it's just a really cool hoodie that I like a lot. And as you can see, it's got the Polo Ralph Lauren logo, sort of camouflaged, but definitely visible there, which is kind of cool. Then I picked up another hoodie, pretty much the same style and all that, but in black. It's kind of like your basic black hoodie, but of course by Polo Ralph Lauren. Next I picked up some socks. These were in a package of 3 for, I think the original price on them was like $19.97 or something like that. Of course, with the discount it was a lot less. So those are kind of cool socks. They had different colors and styles as well, with patterns and things like that. But these are just the ones that I picked up. Next we have some actual polo shirts. Short sleeve polo shirt. So the first one here is a striped one. Let me see what the price tag on this one is. Yeah, $69.99. So that's the original price. Next I got one in navy, and these are like the soft textured shirts, not the weave ones. I just think these are kind of more comfortable. Then I got one in black as well, all short sleeve. And here's another one. It's sort of in this warm heather gray color. as you can see here. Then I also got a couple of t-shirts as well. Now these t-shirts ended up being, I think, about $15 each. They're 100% cotton. I got some v-necks, some crew necks, as you can see here. Kind of like your basic tees. Then I also got a rugby shirt right here. And this is the custom slim fit. And normal price on that in the stores was $89.99. So with the discounts, I don't know how much that was, but this was like definitely a good price. Then I got a nice pullover sweater here. This sweater is 100% cotton. It's not wool, but you know, for the price, I kind of like it. It's kind of a not too heavy sweater, but it's a pullover in a dark brown. And then I also got this pullover hoodie. This is also 100% cotton, and also sort of in a warm heather gray. This has been my Polo Ralph Lauren factory store haul. Any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to leave them. And I plan to visit maybe every quarter or something like that to see what new stuff I can pick up. So if you have one in your area, it's definitely worth checking out. I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area, and they have several retail locations for their Polo Ralph Lauren factory outlets. As mentioned, the one I went to was in Napa, California, but they also have one up in Vacaville, California. There's one in Milpitas, and probably a couple more as well. You can certainly check their website to find out locations. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.